So guys, I'm back with another video here at Anna's Glamour Salon. I have another alopecia client that came in to the shop. She happened to see some of the videos that I posted on the channel on YouTube, and she was really excited to come and have some of her work done here at the shop. So she brought me this wig unit, but this wig unit happened to be dreads. Really lovely, and the way in which the cap was constructed is very beautiful. So I told her what I'm going to do, just go ahead and take some of the lace off of the wig cap so that when I adhere the wig to her hair, it would be of a lighter wig unit on her head. So what I try to do here at Anna's Glamour is to make every client just be as comfortable as possible. So what I'm doing right now is removing some of the extra lace in this unit, as you can see on the screen, so that the wig, when I adhere it to her head, it will be a lighter wig. I do hope you guys enjoy this one. I'm going to explain as much as I can to show you guys what I am doing. So if you're a stylist as well, this can be a show and tell or a how-to as well for one of your alopecia clients. So after prepping the wig, I went back to the client as she and I was having some conversations at the workstation. I was trying the unit on after I cut some of the lace down. I was showing her the different partings that she would have. I was also asking her to hold here and there, asking her if she was a little bit comfortable with what she's feeling in case she wears spectacles. I was doing my best to make sure that the wig unit fit her head precisely, so that when she's wearing it on a consistent base, it would be no movements on the wig. It would literally felt as if she literally got the braids or the dreads on her scalp. After doing all of that fitting, it was very comfortable to her. As you guys can see, I've showed it in the camera. I cut a lot of other different things out in the wig, and then I adhered it back to her hair. In this section right here is where I began sewing the back of this unit onto the cornrow that I prepared in the beginning of the service. This part here is very important, so that when she is going to her everyday use, whether it be the gym, whether it be just going to work, whether it be hanging out with friends, if she wished to put the hair up, that the wig would look exactly like her hair. You would literally have to look really close to see if it was a wig. At this point, I also went on put on some solution to protect her scalp before I put the glue to adhere the wig in the front. She's a very private lady, so I couldn't show much of the front of her, but what I'm doing right now is putting the first layer of the glue after she came from the dryer to her scalp. I did not put the glue exactly onto her scalp. I put it onto the solution that I put onto her head first, then underneath the dryer, then I'm putting the glue. So that way it was a barrier to her scalp. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. After this, I put her under the dryer again. And then came back in with another layer of the glue, so it would last for a long period of time. And then I adhered the unit, and she was very pleased. I cut out the baby hair, adhered the unit down, put her under the dryer again, and then she left the shop. When I tell you she was very pleased with this service, it was a pleasure once again servicing her here at Anna's Glamour. So this is what you guys are going to see. I'm going to enjoy. You guys can go ahead and enjoy the rest of this video with some music. I am telling you, if you are ever in the Titusville area Our information is going to be on the screen if you wish to come and stop by. If you're having any problems that no one can literally help you with, we here at Anna's Glamour Salon in the Titusville area would be very able to help you with these type of situations. Hope you guys enjoy the video until I meet you in the next one.